Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome to our 80s life. In today's video, my friend Abby is going to show you how to make alien nails. They're out of this world.
Back in the 80s, my friends and I were obsessed with the artwork of Lisa Frank. I still love the bright, pretty colors that she uses and all the fun designs. So I was super excited to learn that Orly has teamed up with Lisa Frank to create these awesome nail wraps. The nail wraps are super easy to use, and so today I'm gonna show you how to put them on.